Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your GMC Yukon hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin, usually found on the driver's side, near the door sill or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound, which indicates that the primary hood latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety latch. Now move to the front of your GMC Yukon. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right under the front edge of the hood. You're looking for the secondary safety latch. This is a small lever or tab, often made of plastic or metal, usually situated near the center of the hood's leading edge. It's designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. Once you've located the safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your Yukon model, you might push this lever to one side, typically to the left, or lift it upwards. While holding the safety latch in the release position, use your other hand to gently lift the hood. With both latches disengaged, the hood will now be free to open fully, allowing you access to the engine compartment. With the hood now open, it's important to secure it properly. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood itself. Lift the hood to its highest point, ensuring it's stable. Then, take the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the engine bay frame. This will hold the hood securely in place, preventing it from accidentally closing while you're working.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.